Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So, here in this class, I'll be telling you guys how you can transit in between videos to videos and how we can put different kind of effects that it will give you a smooth transition between both the frames. And I'll be also explaining you guys how you can use the audio and also do transition between the audios as well. So we'll be learning about all this here in this class, and let's get started with this class without wasting any time. So here again, I'm back to my workspace here. So now, as I told you that we'll be learning about the transition effects. So what it is basically used for, okay? So if I have a set of videos or just to transit from one frame to another frame, so it will give you a effect of smooth transitioning between the videos that it will just smoothen it with different kind of effect. So for that, as I do have different videos here, so let me just take these videos down here. Okay, let me delete the empty tracks. And now here, what I'll do is I will add different videos. I will add this as well and this as well. Yeah. Now I'll just fit this to the timeline. So as you can see, now I do have four videos here and let me add a audio also just to give it a good effect. Okay. So let me take this particular audio from here and I will put this audio down here. So let me just trim down these videos from here. Okay, so I'll just trim these videos down. I will trim this one as well. Uh, this one also, and this one as well. Okay. So now I do have this. I do have this music, so I'll take this one till here, put up a cut here, delete this particular layer from here. And now let me just play this video for you all, and you guys will be able to see a transition between this. Okay, so the transition is not smooth as you guys can see, just the frame is changing directly. Okay, so here you guys can see. But using my transition here, what all I can do is, as you can see, I do have this transition option here. So I'll be putting different type of transition from here. Okay, so I will download this one, this as well, and this one as well. Okay, and I do have different categories from where I can select. I do have the popular ones here, the zoom one, the speed blur. If I just want to slide it in, I do have this option as well. And if I want this to just disappear as a glitch, I can see this effect as well. So I do have this one as well from here. So let me go back again to this one and I'll go to my downloads. So these are the option for the transition effects. So what I can do is, let me just see the preview. So this is how it actually will change. And if I select the dissolve, it will just dissolve like this. If I choose the fade, it will fade in. And this is how it will turn to another page. And this one is the wrap. This is the wrap zoom. So what I'll do is I'll take this one, and there is three ways basically which I can put. I can put this transition effect in between these two frames, or in one corner, or in this frame starting on the beginning. So I'll just overlay in between, and I will take this fade one here in between this, and this one, the glitch effect, in between this. Okay, so now I do have this here, and now I will play this video and you guys will be able to see the smooth transition between the videos. So here now, just look here how it will transit. So this is how it will transit using the transition effects. So it gives or enhances the quality of the video here. As you can see, now it will give you a glitch effect. So I hope you guys have understood how you can basically use this option for your work, okay? And here, if you have downloaded these transitions, you can search from here if you have like 100, 200 transitions. So in that case, you can just search and name it according to yourself from here, okay? So you can download this, and from here you can see how you want to view medium thumbnail, small thumbnail, or list view. Here you can see I do have the list view, but I want to use the medium thumbnails. So this is one way of doing this. And if you have marked anything in your favorites, you can do that. So how you can put it in your favorites? Suppose here you can see a small box here. So if you click on the star, it will be added in your favorites. So here you can see this one is added in my favorite. Okay. So this is one way of doing that. And here is another option of audio transition. Okay. So here, suppose if you do have two or three audios at the same time. So let me just download this and see how it is. So this is how it will transit between the audios. As you can see here, I do have all few of these functions here. So you guys can hear out how it will change. So this is how it will actually work. So for that, let me take another audio from here. Okay. Or let me take this one. Okay. So I want to put this transition here in between. Okay, suppose I have this, so I want to put this one in between. Okay, so I'll put this one in between, and now let's try to hear this out. Okay, how it translates. So the transition is smooth, and let's hear this without the transition effect from here. Okay, let me play. Let's. So the transition here was not quite smooth, as you can hear. Okay, and now I'll use this one in between. I'll just use the overlap here. Okay, and now if I listen the transition between both the tracks, so the transition was quite smooth here comparing to the first one. So this is one way how we can audio transition and also the video transition. So here we do have different options for cinematic view or for cinema. You can use all this as well, all these transitional effects. But for this, you guys need to use the paid version. As you can see the diamond shape icon on top, so those are for the paid users only. Okay, and here as you can see I do have the film stock as well. So basically you can connect this with the film stock, and if I go to the film stock from here, as you can see, it is taking me to some different page. Okay, so from here you can actually download different kind of effects, different videos. Okay, so here if I click on this, here I will get different kind of things here, and from here I can download that. But these are for paid users. So here you can see the title, you can choose different theme, and you can get all these effects and all of this from here as well. And for titles, for slideshow, and yes, as I've explained you guys in the last class about how you can basically use the titles. So here you can also come here down, and here is another option called the slideshow. Like in front of your video, if you guys want to put any kind of slideshow, if you're creating a short film or anything as such, in that case you can select this particular layer and put it in the beginning. or here somewhere here. Okay, this is how also you can work on the slideshow. Suppose this one is getting downloaded. Okay, so I can put this on top here. Okay, or inside this one, and I can see the view. Okay, so this is one way of how you can work using the slideshow as well. So yes, I hope you guys have understood everything here in this class. Here I have told you guys about the film stock, from where you'll get different type of media and resources, which will help you to understand this application better. I have told you guys how you can do the audio transitioning and also the video to video transition, which are the basic things. Here you do have a lot of options. Okay, so what I suggest is you start working on with the free version of Filmora. And after that, once you feel that you are quite pro now and you can work here in this particular application, now you're familiar with everything, then you can switch on to the paid version of this application, which will just enhance your work and make your work quite easier. If you're a regular user or if you're video editing regularly, you can try out this application as well. This is a really good application and quite user friendly here as well. Okay, so from here you can select it in your favorites, and from here you can get access to all the download files. Okay, so in next class, I'll be teaching you guys about different kind of effects, how you can use the effects, how you can use stickers, and how you can use different type of templates, which I have here. Okay, so under template, you also do have this option called split screen. Okay, so you can do split screen as well. Suppose if you do have 2, 3, 4 frames, how you can adjust and work on with all that, I'll be explaining you all. So till then, take care, everyone, and see you all in the next class.